Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Samsung BA75-04540, a unit housing LCD. This is an OEM authorized part, meaning it's made by Samsung and designed specifically for certain models. If you're dealing with a damaged or broken screen housing, this could be the perfect solution to restore your device to its former glory. Being an official Samsung part, you can expect a precise fit and finish. No need to worry about compatibility issues or struggling to get everything aligned correctly. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with the compatible Samsung models, ensuring a professional repair. The BA75-04540A boasts a glossy screen surface. While some prefer matte displays to minimize glare, a glossy finish often enhances color vibrancy and sharpness. This can make your viewing experience more immersive, especially when watching videos or viewing photos. The specifications list an aspect ratio of 1.78 to 1, which is essentially 16 to 9. This is the standard widescreen format you'll find on most modern displays, making it ideal for watching movies, TV shows, and playing games. The image contrast ratio is listed as 2000 to 1. A higher contrast ratio generally means deeper blacks and brighter whites, resulting in a more dynamic and visually appealing image. This contrast ratio should provide a decent level of detail and clarity. The display resolution maximum is 1920 x 1080, also known as Full HD or 1080p. This is a very common resolution and offers a good balance between image quality and performance. You'll be able to enjoy sharp and detailed visuals without putting excessive strain on your device's processing power. Overall, the Samsung BA75-04540A unit housing _LCD appears to be a solid replacement option for compatible Samsung devices. The fact that it's an OEM authorized part gives you confidence in its quality and compatibility. The glossy screen, standard aspect ratio, decent contrast ratio, and full HD resolution should provide a satisfactory viewing experience. If you need to replace a damaged screen housing and your model is compatible, this is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to double-check the compatibility with your specific Samsung model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.